defense di nyaka Pitso Mosimane a tle ko Kaizer Chiefs ne so based on the achievement tsa Pitso Mosimane ka itse re se your favorite ne mo o tlo hanana le nna mo tlo dumellana le nna mara nna ke bolela as a fan ya Kaizer Chiefs e ratang success ya Kaizer Chiefs ne Pitso ha tla ko Kaizer Chiefs e le nna Pitso remember o deal ka di complete players and Pitso nyaka budget ne so nna nka se mind re fe Pitso budget mara nna ke nyaka di cup ka yona that first season nna ho ya ka nna ne nkutlwelle re wa ke re bya Pitso no so shapora motor ra o sign ne wena lebella Chiefs o re tshameka bya and then o bolelle dipela re tso di nyakang le budget e o inyakang lo ro nyako bereka le bo mang ke re ka mokgwa bereka Pitso and then o tlotla kang ke pre-season re mothoma ka pre-season a re mitsi league le moare a re nyake di chance mo a ke re remember mo re bitsa quality ba so tshwanetse offer quality wa bona so nna ke re ka first season daman re mo file pele ya ratsa hae tsa di nyakang le cheleta e nyakang le technical ya hae technical team ya hae so nna re khopela league cup tse tsohle ka first season re khona bona hore can he do what he did ko Sundowns le go Al Ahly na agree mo Pitso Mosimane bolo a ina there for now or I'm wrong a una there for yena agree ke motho le reng o tsa di cup o tshwana le Baxter agree Baxter tla go Kaizer Chiefs o itse I'm here to take the league so Pitso how meets a reng I'm here to give you all cups so wena o reng ka tabeng